Good morning. It's Ron Brown with Silvercom Computer and Technology Club. Today I want to talk about how to upgrade the operating system on your Chromebook. First of all, there is no need to watch this video. Chromebooks will upgrade automatically to the latest operating system, so you need to do absolutely nothing. However, I wanted to review a couple of issues with you. The first is there are two copies of the Chromium operating system on your Chromebook. There is a primary operating system which you use with the running of your machine, but there is a backup or second copy of that operating system on your Chromebook. It is the secondary copy that is updated. It is also the secondary copy that has to go through, remember those security checks we talked about last year, and the TPM module. This is the security chip in your Chromebook. Your secondary operating system has to be verified and will go through 3 levels of security, comparing it to the TPM module. Once it is verified it is secure, it will become your primary operating system. However, to do that, you have to reboot your computer. Now, this is how I close my computer. Bad habit, since closing it like that just puts it to sleep. So if that is how you close your Chromebook, it's never going to get updated. How many of you do it this way? You come to the settings and you come up to the shutdown button and you actually turn the Chromebook off. When you do this, it will reboot when you open the lid, and the secondary copy will now become the primary copy of your operating system, and it will have upgraded itself. Now, since I have this bad habit of closing the lid, I update mine manually. So in this diagram, you'll see I come up to settings. We then bring the cursor over to the left side and down to the About Chrome OS. We'll click on this. Let's go up and check my version. This is the current version that I am running. I'm going to check for updates, and I see that my Chromebook is up to date. If there was an update to do, it would install it at that time and ask me to reboot my computer. And when I did, it would switch copies and make sure the updated version was my current copy. So the goal of this video was to show you how to manually update the operating system of your Chromebook. Ron Brown with Silvercom Computer and Technology Club.